What are your thoughts on buying a course to learn how to get started in real estate investing? I wouldn't do it. We have not purchased any courses. Everything that I know about real estate investing has come from free materials such as a YouTube channel like this, podcasts, networking with local real estate investors. I think getting a feel for what type of real estate investing you want to do is pretty easy to do with the internet and all the free information available to you. And then I think the rubber's really going to meet the road when you're getting out there and networking with local real estate investors. I think that's something that enough people or that people don't do enough of. So I would highly recommend that and build solid relationships with people that are investors in your area. Spend a great deal of time with them and really learn the local ropes from them. Because like I said earlier on this live stream, every market is unique. What works here in Dayton might not work in Cleveland, and it definitely won't work in San Francisco or New York. Learning from someone local is going to be the best strategy. And I don't think that I know of anyone. I'm trying to think really quickly. I would say the 2 or 3 most successful real estate investors that I never purchased a course. I know for sure that I'm never going to make a course and charge for it. I think, I'm a little bit biased, but I think these live stream setups, if people actually want to learn and are willing to show up pretty regularly, ask questions, I think you're going to end up ahead from purchasing a course. So I think when I think about people that have done well with buying courses, it wasn't so much the course as the connections and the way they were able to build their network via purchasing those courses, but not the material in them. Because you got to think about it. I mean, real estate has been a real thing since people have been around and like needed a place to live, right? So there's nothing new about investing in real estate. Maybe there have been some modifications to the financial instruments used to acquire real estate with leverage, but the fundamentals of investing in real estate haven't changed at all. There are entire industries built around supporting, the real estate industry. So I would liken, real estate investing more of like the franchise model, where as soon as you become a real estate investor, you have all of the resources available to you, granted at a fee, but like a plumber can come in and fix anything as far as plumbing goes in that house. An electrician can come in and fix anything, right? You sit down and you talk to a bunch of seasoned real estate investors or loan officers, and you're going to get, all the information that you need on utilizing banks to buy real estate investing. And it's such a old industry that there hasn't been any new information that has come out in a really long time. There's one book that I like a lot by Schwab. It's called Building Wealth One House at a Time. That book was written a pretty decent amount of time ago. And, everything in there is still very factual and very true. No course, maybe some books, but no courses.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.